The AIDS Foundation of South Africa, which is an organization that addresses sexual health issues, is in the country to meet with local organizations on issues pertaining to sexual reproductive health and sexual rights. We have a report.
Looking at the rate of HIV in African countries and also the lack of knowledge on sexual rights, organizations from South Africa are in Swaziland to meet with other organizations to address sexual reproductive health issues. The organizations have seen a gap in lack of knowledge on sexual rights. Moeti Lesotho of the AIDS Foundation of South Africa said their objective is to educate societies on sexual reproductive health as well as their rights.
We're trying to look at these issues at different contexts with the organizations that come from both Swaziland and South Africa, as well as other countries that are represented here, because we feel that there are common issues amongst us that we need to address, and also if we come together as organizations, we can share experiences and we can share challenges and also look at ways in which we can take up these issues forward, and also look at issues in which, ways in which we can lobby parliamentarians, duty bearers and other relevant people in trying to highlight the gaps in terms of realizing sexual and reproductive health rights.
Tutu Makakula of the Rock of Hope in Swaziland says they hope to gain knowledge on rights and educate many people as possible.
Today's meeting, as you have mentioned, is on sexual and reproductive health rights. Usually when we talk about sexual and reproductive health, we do not include rights. So this meeting in particular is to stress the point that when we talk about sexual and reproductive health, we should talk about the fact that people have a right to access sexual and reproductive health and services on sexual and reproductive health.
For Swazi TV News, I am Kiani Msibi, Matsapa.